Okay, on a different note, I want to show you guys something. So, like I said, I'm in Mountain View, California, and it rained, right? Look at the. Can you see this? Look at the residue. How can I show you this better? Look at the residue it left on the windows from the rain. It's almost like soap residue, which is really strange. Um, Very strange. Let me go to the back window. If you look at the back window here, you can see just ridiculous. It's hard to see it. I guess without proper lighting. But I guess the front windows are a better distinction. But what I'm saying though is that my windows were clean before the rain came, and after it rained, it left this crazy residue. I mean, crazy. And it's not dirt. It's not dirt. There you go. That's a better sign of it. That's not dirt. That's from the rain. The actual rain itself. So, conspiracy theory, I don't know. I don't really believe in them too much, but I saw it with my own eyes. That's the rain coming down, and whatever that film that it's leaving on the windows is directly from the rain that fell. So, what's dropping from the sky? And here in Mountain View, California, I have no idea. But sure as hell doesn't look like rain. Come to your own conclusions, guys. I don't know. Very strange. And that's on all my windows, not just these.